Hi, I'm Eloise.
And I'm Heather, and we're going to show you the best way to spend £10 in Superdrug. So my first product is the MUA Pro Base Full Cover Powder. Number one, because everyone needs a powder, and this one reduces shine for a nice flawless finish. So my next two products are an MUA eyeliner and an MUA eyebrow pencil. These are absolute staples in any makeup bag, and these ones are only £1 each. So my next product are the Superdrug Vitamin E Beauty Tablets. I take one of these every day, and they are an antioxidant and are great for your skin. And finally, the Vitamin E Radiance Cream. This contains SPF 15 and light-reflecting particles that create a beautiful radiant glow. So these are my top picks from Superdrug, and all these have come to £9.68 in total.
So the first product is this hairspray, which I love because it's only 99p and it's a super convenient size, which means I can keep it in my handbag. So the next product is the MUA Wet Look eyeliner, which I love because it gives you a sort of more glossy finish rather than a matte look. And moving on to lipstick, I have this Revolution Pro Supreme, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous colour, and it goes well with sort of pinky eye looks. I love these strip eyelashes. Now these lashes are perfect because they're only £1, which means whenever you just need a pair of lashes, you could just pop into Superdrug and pick them up. So the next one is a makeup essential. This is a sponge, which was only £1, and they are obviously perfect for applying your makeup and giving you that flawless finish. And the shape is also perfect for blending under the eyes because you have the pointy side, and then it's perfect for also doing foundation. The final product is the Micellar cleansing wipes, and these are perfect for after you've had a full day of makeup and you just want to take your makeup off, and they are vegan and cruelty free. So these are all the products I purchased, and they came up to just £9.28.